I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We're Lina and Dan, and since January 2019, we've been traveling around the world. If you like to follow our adventures, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode.
Get you out of my head.
We are so late right now. Our plane leaves exactly in an hour and we still haven't checked in yet. Feels like you're going back to the hotel.
Welcome to Hungary. This is our 14th country.
The first thing after you land in Hungary and you get your baggage, come to the information for public transportation. We are using public transportation, bus 100 that takes us directly to the city. From the airport to the city costs $3 per person, which is 1,800 Hungarian currency. Hello. Oh wow, it's so nice. This is our living room. This is the dining room. Oh, we have a balcony too. Let's check it out. It was very cheap. How much did we pay for this per night? 65 or something per night?
Really cheap for the whole apartment.
Yeah, for a whole apartment, 65 per night.
Beautiful apartment.
kitchen. Washer and dryer.
Washer and
Wow,
dryer,
that's
that's awesome.
The bathroom. Why is this beeping? Oh, I love the shower.